Remember to wipe down the spindle after every use. If you have ice cream remaining, press the retract button to reverse the swirl press. Close your pint base. Press the pint release button. Twist counterclockwise to release. You can refreeze your pint for later. Remove the dispense lid and replace it with a storage lid. Rinse the space gently until all ice cream is removed from the cavity. Wipe off any excess water and replace the nozzle and place the pint back in the freezer. Pull the drip tray straight back to remove from the unit for cleaning. Remove the paddle by pulling back the paddle latch. For deeper cleaning, you can remove the seal on the outer bowl lid. Rinse your pint lid. Remove the swirl press by pulling back the latch on the dispense lid. For a deeper cleaning, remove the seal in the dispense lid. Remove the plunger seal. If you are looking to wash out the remainder of your pint, open your pint base. Remove nozzle. Rinse pint with water. Water will flow through the nozzle cavity. Leave pint base open while dishwashing. Drip tray and outer bowl can be rinsed. All parts are dishwasher safe.